Hi, my name is Joel and I'm from Bright Culture. I'm teaching chemistry over there. Okay, so today we'll learn something called mole concept. Okay, this particular mole concept thing is actually a phobia to a lot of students because whenever they do exam questions, they are okay, once they see numbers appearing in the chemistry exam, or they go panic or they just skip it. And skipping that is actually a waste of marks because actually it's very simple if you really understand and apply the concept that I'm going to teach you today. The first formula you need to know is mass over mr. Okay, so we just take the mass divided by the mr, and where do you get the mr of an element? We check from the periodic table. Okay, so periodic table, of course, every element there are two numbers. Okay, a smaller number and a larger number, and then the mr is actually the larger number. Okay, all of you should know that. Okay, so we take the mass over mr, we get the moles, and the mass, the units for mass for chemistry and for this formula is grams. So for example, 5 grams of sodium, we take 5 divided by 23. 23 is the mR of sodium. Okay, so remember the first formula. Okay, now the second formula that I'm going to teach you is relating to gases. So number of moles of gas is equals to volume of gas divided by 24 dm cube or 24,000 cm cube, depending on what the question gives you for the units of volume. Okay, for example, let's say argon gas, they give you 20 cm cube of argon gas. So we take, because it's cm cube, so 20 cm cube divided by 24,000 cm cube. Okay, so if they give you 0.5 dm cube, we take 0.5 divided by 24 dm cube. Okay, so for gas, it's very simple. Whenever you see gas, whenever you see a volume, you just take the number divided by 24 dm cube or 24,000 cm cube. Okay, that's the second formula. So the third formula that you need to calculate moles is actually taking the concentration of the solution multiplied by the volume. But take note, because the units of concentration is what? Mole per dm cube. So the volume naturally got to be in dm cube. And by the way, 1 dm cube is actually equals to 1000 cm cube. So for example, hydrochloric acid, let's say I give you 50 cm cube of hydrochloric acid having a concentration of 1.5 mole per dm cube. How do you find moles? What's the formula again? The formula is number of moles equals to concentration times volume. So we take 1.5 multiplied by 50 over 1000. Remember, the 50 cm cube, you got to divide by 1000 to convert into dm cube. Okay, and that's the third formula. So I've taught you 3 formulas today. Okay, the first formula, I say again, number of moles equals to mass over mR. Okay, second formula is number of moles of gas equals to volume of gas divided by 24 dm cube or 24,000 cm cube. And the last formula is number of moles equals to concentration of solution multiplied by volume. And the volume must be in what? In terms of dm cube. Okay, this is the lesson for today. This is Mr. Joel from Bright Culture. I'll see you next lesson. Goodbye.